Hi, I'm Francis, the host of this show, Cooking with Dog.
こんにちは。今日は我が家で気軽に作っている具たっぷりの食べるお味噌汁をご紹介します。こちらのキッチンスケールとメジャーカップはドイツの方が送ってくださったもので今回大活躍です。
First, let's prepare the ingredients. Roll the dashi kombu seaweed and shred it as thinly as possible. Dampen the kombu in water beforehand so that you can easily cut it. The kombu makes dashi stock, but shredding it allows you to enjoy it as an ingredient. Next, sandwich the aburage, thin deep fried tofu with a paper towel and gently press it to remove the excess oil. Cut the aburage in half lengthwise. Place the pieces on top of each other and cut them into 1 cm strips. Cut the komatsuna spinach into 3 cm pieces, separating the stalk part and the leafy part. Cut the potato, kabocha squash, daikon radish, and naganegi long green onion into 1 cm slices. Cut the shiitake into 1 cm slices and tear the shimeji mushrooms into smaller pieces. Now, let's make the ultimate miso soup. Pour 400 ml of water into a pot. Add the shredded kombu seaweed. Add the daikon radish, kabocha squash, and potato. Add the aburage, thin deep fried tofu, mushrooms, and long green onion. Save the komatsuna spinach for later use to keep it from discoloring. Turn on the burner and heat the pot on medium heat. Cover with a lid but leave it slightly open. When it begins to boil, cover completely. Reduce the heat to low and simmer for about 10 minutes until softened. Now, add the firm stalks of the komatsuna spinach. Say Francis is a cute dog 7 times or wait for about 10 seconds and then add the leafy part. We prepared approximately 50 grams of each of the ingredients for a total of 350 grams. You can also use your favorite type of vegetables to taste. When the komatsuna leaves turn a vibrant green, ladle the broth into a bowl of miso and start to dissolve it. Then add the diluted miso to the broth and distribute. If you have more than one kind of miso on hand, you should definitely combine them to make the miso soup more delicious. Now, add the bonito flakes. You can also use small-size niboshi, dried baby sardines instead, but you should cook them from the beginning along with the other ingredients. Turn off the burner and ladle the ingredients along with the savory broth into a bowl. It is worth remembering the amount of water, the weight of the total ingredients, and miso in this recipe. If you follow this ratio, you can easily make your own version of this delicious miso soup with lots of ingredients whenever you want. Finally, top with the ground white sesame seeds. Chef enjoys this miso soup with onsen tamago, a type of Japanese soft-cooked egg. You can place the egg in the bowl of miso soup.
日本人の健康食、野菜たっぷりのお味噌汁、ぜひ作ってみてください。
Chef adjusted the thickness of the ingredients according to the cooking time, keeping in mind that they will cook for about 10 minutes. It is convenient to keep frozen sliced mushrooms on hand, especially for busy mornings. You can also use the used kombu of our previous kobujime recipe in miso soup. Good luck in the kitchen!